Hello everyone, welcome to the Extra Mechanics Academy, and it's Fernando again. Today I'm going to share something about how to replace the brake fluid of the BMW DSE integrated braking system. Connect the vehicle with our external diagnostic tool through the OBD port, then enter the BMW maintenance function and chassis section, then select braking fluid replacement. Actually, follow the on-screen prompts and guidance from the external diagnostic tool is enough. But today I'm gonna walk you through the whole process.
On the main screen, select Diagnostic, then choose Europe. Next, click BMW plus Expert Mode, select Automatic Detection, and confirm the vehicle details. Select Service Functions, then choose Chassis. Next, go to Integrated Braking System, and finally enter Change Brake Fluid. After entering the function, the system prompts. First empty the reservoir, then flush the lines. Note, the brake assist function will be temporarily disabled and cannot be interrupted. The system further prompts. Close the bleeder screw on the right rear brake caliper. Next comes the operation process. It takes a while, so it will not be shown here in detail. Simply follow the prompts to complete the operation.
A very important notice is to turn on the small side lights of the vehicle to prevent entering the sleep mode. If it enters the sleep mode, may interrupt the operations and cause errors. Nobody wants to see that. And then we need to check the number of vent valves of this vehicle and make sure that every valve is intact and in the right position. Now we need to use an pressurization equipment and connect with the brake fluid oiler and pressurize 200 kilopascal to start venting exhaust from far to near. The far to near principle is very important, and the specific order is rear right, rear left, front right, and front left. Open the vent valve and it will start to drain out the old brake fluid. Wait until the system shows a low fluid prompt. That means there is basically no old brake fluid. Now we can remove the pressurization equipment and start the refill process of new brake fluid. Keep adding new brake fluid until the level height reaches the normal level. There is a maximum sign here. It means we cannot add the new brake fluid overpass it. In the end, after the replacing of the brake fluid on the 4 wheels, the external diagnostic tool will automatically start a brake sealing test. So to recap, the key points for the replacement of the brake fluid is to strictly follow the external diagnostic tool's prompts and adhere to the far to near wheel order and to timely refill the new brake fluid. Then in the end, run the brake sealing test. So much for today's topic, and thank you for the listening of today's content. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you the next time.